And I'm attaching these directions in case you needed help when you got to the part on the Constitution. So when you go through your form, you of course are going to see our learning target, which is to evaluate the impact of the Constitution on current day issues. We then put two review questions from before, just to kind of hopefully help you understand what the United States Constitution is, because that's the first most important thing we need to figure out. Then we put in some excerpts, meaning pieces from the Constitution, and I'm going to read them to you because you need to know what the Constitution says in order to evaluate it. So this is from Section 8 in Article 1, and it says, "The Congress shall have power to lay and collect taxes, duties, imposts, and excises, to pay the debts and provide for the common defense and general welfare of the United States. But all duties, imposts, and excises shall be uniform throughout the United States." Next, it says, two, "To make all laws which shall be necessary and proper for carrying into execution the foregoing powers and all other powers vested by the Constitution in the government of the United States or in any department or officer thereof." Third part, "Every bill which shall have passed the House of Representatives and the Senate shall, before it becomes a law, be presented to the President of the United States. If he approve, he shall sign it." So those are excerpts. I don't expect you to understand them, but I at least like to present the actual Constitution to you. So I follow up with, well, what does this mean? Because obviously I don't expect you to be able to understand that. So what each of the parts mean. The first part says, it's explaining powers of Congress, which is the legislative branch. And one of those powers is they have the right to collect taxes and money so that they can provide for the general welfare. The second statement is saying that it also needs to create laws that look out for our well being. And the third part explains that bills passed by Congress have to be signed by the president so that they can be official laws. I'm going to take it a step further for you. So, Mrs. Conklin, what does this mean in how I like to say in class, regular people words? It means Congress needs to collect money and make laws so that they can look out for the well being of the people living in the United States. In order for the bills to become laws, the president needs to sign them. So, hopefully, at this point, you can answer which of the following are powers given to the government through the Constitution. After you do that, you're going to read an article. It's on a current day issue, which is our health. And then you're going to, using your prior knowledge and the article in 50 words, which is really a good 2 to 3 sentences, explain, um, evaluate the impact of the Constitution on current day issues. Meaning you're going to figure out, is the Constitution effective on creating and looking out for our health? So that includes your opinion. Of course, tune in to Google Meet if you need help, and have a great day.